how to download Microsoft Outlook for your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download Microsoft Outlook. So in order to get Outlook for your Android device, simply go to the Play Store of your Android device, and then in the Play Store click onto this search icon. Then simply search for Outlook. Once you have typed in, hit the search button and you will see a result like this. So this is the Microsoft Outlook and it is around 79 megabytes. So in order to install, click onto this blue install button and you can see that the application has been successfully downloaded and installed into our Android system. Now in order to open or launch this, you can click onto this open button and here you can see that we are inside our Outlook. Now within the Outlook, you can choose to add your account or also create a new account by clicking onto the second option. So that's how easily you can download and install Outlook in your Android device. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.